All right, so today I've got a really quick one. Better make sure these lights aren't crazy, but what we have today is the CarJEN hot and spicy dry curry. And I've had this before. I don't think I've ever scarfed down a full plate of it. It comes with a soup. I'm gonna skip the soup. I'm just gonna go straight for the gusto. So yeah, I'm gonna have, like last time, I'm gonna have the top camera, and I'm actually going to throw my cell phone right here, so there's going to be multiple views of me scarfing down super hot noodles. So all right, I'm gonna go cook this up and I'll be right back. All right, here we go. My kid just woke up, so I'm gonna have to scarf these down extra fast today. So, all right, see you there, and see you there. All right, here we go. Oh boy. Pretty good so far. It's got a nice curry taste. Oh. Okay, yeah, these are warm. Yeah, there's definitely a nice curry flavor. And I don't know, maybe I didn't stir these well enough, so I might be getting a surprise in a second. Yeah, I think I found a bunch of that pepper powder all in one spot, so might as well. Uh-oh. It's pretty hot. I definitely remember a lot more heat the last time I had it. Yeah, yeah, I've got a sweat from running around the kitchen, but this isn't making me break a sweat, honestly, eating it. I think part of it, I mean, my mouth is hot. Sure, this is spicy. Most people I know couldn't handle this. Well, at least I think they couldn't. Okay, maybe a little bit of the nose. But yeah, it's spicy, but I don't know. I've been trying all these extra spicy ones lately, you know, and I'm wondering if I'm just getting a tolerance to it. But yeah, I mean, most of the really ultra spicy ones honestly don't have all that great of a taste. I honestly would rather have something less spicy and taste really good. This one tastes really good. I really like it. It's got a lot of good taste to it. So anyways, this was the CarJEN hot and spicy dry curry with chive soup. Obviously I didn't make the chive soup, but yeah, so give it a look. If you're in Malaysia, I think that's probably Malaysia, Southeast Asia. That's where you're probably going to find it. Probably not in the U.S. I really hope they get this stuff in the U.S. I hope they get all their products in the U.S. because I think they do quite well here. Anyways, this is Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. And stay tuned, because on Monday, April 17th, 2017, the Ramen Rater's Top 10 Instant Noodles of All Time 2017 edition will be coming out in the morning. That's GMT -8 for everybody outside the US or wherever else you might be, maybe in outer space. Pacific Daylight Time or Pacific Standard Time. Yeah, GMT -7 because we sprung forward. So yeah, Pacific Daylight Time. And I'm going to go get Miles because he sounds really mad, and have a good one. Bye.